Blackout Bingo rewards players who understand the board, manage their moves carefully, and avoid rushing through decisions. By the end, you will know the beginner strategies that help you play Blackout Bingo more effectively, what mistakes to avoid, and how to build a better approach before entering more competitive games. The first strategy is learning the board before making moves. In bingo-style games, every decision affects your remaining options. Instead of tapping quickly, look at the available numbers and plan your next moves based on what is already visible. A common beginner mistake is focusing only on the next possible match. A better approach is thinking about how each move changes your future choices. The second strategy is understanding when to slow down. Fast decisions can lead to missed opportunities because you may overlook a better move. Take a moment to check the board, review your available options, and choose the move that gives you the best position. This matters because skill-based games often reward consistency more than random actions. The third strategy is practicing before taking higher-risk games. Use practice opportunities or lower-pressure games to understand the mechanics, timing, and layout. The goal is to become comfortable with the way Blackout Bingo works before putting more focus on competitive play. Another important habit is tracking what works for you. Pay attention to which decisions help you complete boards more effectively, and which mistakes happen repeatedly. If a certain pattern causes problems, adjust your approach instead of repeating the same move. Also, make sure your app is working correctly before playing. Update Blackout Bingo when updates are available, and check your internet connection if the game does not respond properly. The best beginner strategy is simple. Understand the board, make deliberate choices, and improve through practice. Avoid trying to win by only playing faster. A rushed move can create problems that a careful player could avoid. The key points are clear. Learn how the board works, slow down your decisions, and practice until the game mechanics feel familiar. Your next step is to play a few rounds while focusing on one improvement at a time. Start by reviewing the board before each move, then build from there. If this guide helped you improve your Blackout Bingo strategy, subscribe for more gaming tips, app guides, and reward platform breakdowns.